Mm. Get myself situated. Oh, it's weird. Hang on. I'll move everything a little. Oh, Diane, you're the first one here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see if we can get some more peeps here. Let's see. Oh, this one, I look really weird because I'm looking over there, but it's like looking this way. Hang on, let's try this. Let's try this, see if this will work. Hi, Jane. Good morning. Oh, there's Connie. Good morning. Hello. Oh, my hair looks horrible. It needs to be washed. It's very awful. Hi, Dawn. Good morning. Hi, Gloria. Good morning, my love. Let's see. Hi, Rhoda. Hello. Hi, Ivy in Hawaii. Hi, Diana. Hi, Trina. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Sherry. Here comes everybody. Here's everybody. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Susan. Hi, Rhonda. Hi, Brenda in Pennsylvania. Sunny. Oh, I'm jealous. Hi, Gina. Hi, Bonnie Brown. Hi, Elgars. Good morning. Hi, Gloria in Michigan. Hi, Sandy in Iowa. Hi, Linda. Hi, Dolores. Hi, Bernice. Hi, Nancy in Hollister, California. Hi, Janet. Good morning to you too. Let's see. Hi, Carol. Hello. Hi, Tara. Hi, Susan in Wisconsin and Diane in sunny Florida. Oh, I'm so jealous. Yeah, Ramona says rainy Southern California. I haven't looked outside lately, but I think the rain's going to start here pretty soon. Hi, Miss Pinky. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Diana in Michigan. Let's see. Hi, Cynthia in Washington. Hi, Kathy in Ohio. Good morning. And Margaret is in Ohio. Margaret, did I ever tell you I used to have an aunt named Margaret? She passed away, sadly. Oh, Melody. Oh, you fell off a ladder? Oh, my goodness. What were you doing on a ladder, my love? Hang on. Let me get my prayer journal. Oh, my goodness. Oh, hang on. I got to write this down. Got all this. Oh, a couple pages here. New page. Melody Ladder. Oh my goodness. Poor thing. I hope you're okay. Hi, Marcy in Maryland. Ooh, Bonnie says they have Michigan. They have sun in Michigan. Oh, hi, Paulette. Hi, Russ. Hello, hello. Hi, putting Valentine's lights outside. Oh, hi, Stephanie in Indiana. Hi, Carrie in Pennsylvania. Gosh, I see a lot of Pennsylvanias, I feel like. Hi, Sharon. Hello. So hi, Diane. Let's see. Hi, Marcy in Maryland. Hi, Carol. Good morning. Hi, Jeannie in Minnesota. Hi, April. Hello, hello. Yeah, we don't have sun here. It is definitely cold. I was like yelling at Cookie, hurry up, I have to go inside. It's freezing. I didn't grab my heavy jacket when I went outside. Hi, Kathy. So I was freezing. Hi, Amy in Pennsylvania. Hi, Dawn in Texas. Hello. Hi, Beth on Facebook. Hi, Janet. Today, good news and bad news. Okay. Good news and bad news. Bad news is, bad news is I will have to cut today's No Makeup Monday short. Good news is that the reason I have to cut today short is because they are coming today to install a new internet system. Supposedly this one is better than what we currently have, and it's supposed to take 4 hours for them to install it. Hi, Jeannie. Hello. And so 4 hours, I know. So Ken's like, you probably won't have internet for 4 hours. So good news is that means I can actually get some design work done because I can design on a computer without internet. So that's good. But bad news is I won't have internet. But the good news is we are hoping that this new company will help us on our internet issues. So in Southern California, you share lines. So, and uploading video is probably the item that takes the most bandwidth. And so we're being told that the service we're getting, it's a lot more expensive, but the service we're getting is supposed to be a dedicated line. So we are hoping that this will fix the internet issues we've been having more and more lately. So it's been crazy. It's been crazy, crazy. So let's see. Hi, Amy. New internet sounds cool. Yeah, it sounds cool to me too, because I'm hoping that, it is frustrating for all of us. And I'm hoping that this will help ease Ken's stress. Russ says, and upload speeds are always slower than download speeds. Yes, that's why they advertise download speeds. Exactly. Yeah. So it's going to be interesting. It's like a totally new system. And Jeannie says it's not just your internet. It's been happening across the board. Jeannie, can you say that a little louder for the people in the back, please? Yeah. Cindy says, will you bring back the new class kit? I think you mean the fairy tale kit, and no, that's gone. The dragon will be coming back though. Bernice says our eldest son is a gamer and had his own internet installed in his room. He is now on his own internet and loves it. Ooh. So that actually, Elgars, she said you should do a before and after internet speed test. How do I do that? Tell me how to do that and I will. Because he's supposed to be here like literally any minute. So there is a chance I might have to say goodbye and leave if he knocks on my door. But Sally Jo says, I think all internets are bogged down. So many people work from home now. That is true too. Ooh, 35 in Indiana. Whoa. Let's see. Ooh. Rhoda found some epoxy dots and some fun stuff in her craft room cleanup. Yay. Thank you, Jeannie. I love you. So she said it again. Oh, Diane says it too. Diane says it on Facebook. Yes, internet is bad all over. 5 of our towns went out on Thursday night. Yes, thank you. So yes, it's not a stamps of life issue. I promise you, it is more than just the stamps of life. Oh wait, Elgars, but tell me how to do it. I don't know how to do it. And I'll do a test because I would love to know a test. Susan says we have 2 internets as well. Wow. Paula says there's an app you can get for your iPhone to test your internet speed. Okay, but that would be Wi-Fi. I'd really love to do it on, because our computers are hardwired. We don't even use Wi-Fi. We don't even try to use Wi-Fi, except on our phones, of course. But I want to know what my real hard line is. Hi, Charlene in Kentucky, because I definitely want to do that. Carol says, wanted to thank you for my freebies last month. You're welcome, my love. Hi, Vicki, my love. Are you getting fiber? Jennifer, I don't know. Kenny just said that this guy was coming to put new internet in, and he said, just work in the kitchen with your laptop. So I don't know what we're getting. It's just something different than what we have. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know. I think fiber is supposed to be good, right? So I don't know. Oh, you can test it right on YouTube. It says, let's see. Oh, but hi, Annette says, I'm a little late, but my kids got their new beds delivered. So my husband is putting them together. Yay. And Harmony and I are watching. Hi, Harmony. Hi. The fairy tale kit will not be back. No, it was a limited edition. Fiber is amazing. Fiber is supposed to be better. Hi, Cheryl and Fred in Illinois. Good morning from rainy Northern California, Meg says. Hello. Tammy says, look into Starlink. It is the best. I will look into Starlink. Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping whatever we're getting today, Ken just told me this guy's coming to our house. I mean, I don't even know. Hi, Wilma. Hello. Hi, Ver Blue. Hello. Yay. She said she's smiling today. I'm glad to hear that. Speedtest.com. Okay, hang on. I'll write it down right now. I'm writing it down. Speedtest.com. Okay, we'll try it. I will definitely try it. Miss Pinky says, would like to see more about using the new border dies in the smaller machine like a Cuttlebug. I don't have a big machine. Okay, Miss Pinky, let's see. I'm trying to think. I don't know what size a Cuttlebug is. Is that like a 6-inch machine? I want to see that. Any quick sneak peeks for us? No, I don't have any. But I do have this from Darlene, but I don't think she's here. Ever So Looney says, quick question regarding the Fold It Club kit. the stencils released with them, are they going to be sold available when they're released? Yes. So in about 15 months, the Fold It Club items, hang on, I hear a big truck. Uh-oh. I hear a big truck. That might be the people. So I might have to go all of a sudden, okay? But oh gosh, I forgot what I was talking about. Hang on. So on the Fold It Clubs, they will be sold with, the stencils will be sold with the items, the Fold Its in the future when we re-release them. So like, let's say you missed the bee. The bee is going to be released, I think it's like next year. And so it will be sold with the stencils, 99.9 for sure. .net, make that .net, she said. Okay, make that .net. I will. Okay, I hear a truck out there, you guys. I have a feeling. I can't see out my window. Can you please make a card using the white ink on dark cardstock? Sure, I can do that. I heard, Olivia said, I heard Los Angeles is on a tornado watch. Don't talk about tornadoes. I hate tornadoes. The cuddle bag is not quite 6 inches. It is smaller than the Spellbinders. Okay, so I will have to look at that. Gloria wants me to remind you to please like and share. And yes, that truck is for me because I can hear him. Really quick, I wanted to share this card that Darlene made for me. She says, Stephanie and Ken family, happy holidays. Thank you for all you do, Darlene. Isn't that cute? And she had a picture of her little doggy on there. So cute. So thank you, Darlene. I haven't seen you pop in yet, but hopefully you saw that. Let's see. Really, Bonnie says, I think I saw a sneak peek in your slimline file box when you put away the borders. You might have. You never know. You honestly never know if I'm accidentally showing you a sneak peek, because it just like seriously depends. Like if I have something and I accidentally show it to you and I'm like, oh, whoops, but you know, whatever. Yeah, I don't think they make cutting pads for the Cuddle Bug anymore, unfortunately. But yeah, I can, we can do some stuff with the borders. I'll try to remember to do that because the borders are fun, you guys. They're really, really fun. Let's see. Can you make fairy dress clothing for the peeps? That would be a cute idea, wouldn't it? Let me write that down. I'm on like the total wrong page. So I didn't go to church on Sunday. And so Kenny accidentally took my Bible to church with him. And so these are my notes from my Bible, our sermon yesterday. And I'm writing Stamps of Life notes on it. And I better not, because that needs to go. I have a Bible that you can write in that has like spots for notes. And so I like to have my notes right next to the verses. So when I go back, nope, that wasn't him. Yay, that wasn't him. So when I go back to that verse, I have my notes and I have the date and what pastor talked about it. So I have my words, the verses and my notes right next to it. But Kenny took my Bible, so I have to transfer all of these notes into my real Bible. But hang on, fairy clothes for the peeps. That would be really cute. Fairy tale clothes for the peeps. For peeps. Cute. I love that idea. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Thanks, Russ. Russ said Cricket discontinued the Cuddle Bug 3 to 4 years ago. They don't make the accessories anymore. Bonnie, she says, I don't have a keen eye to notice new stuff. You know what? Me either. Well, but see, my problem is like I design stuff literally. Okay. So like, for example, today that wasn't a big deal. I designed something that you won't see until that's not a big deal, September. But the things I'm working on now, like I'm working on Valentine's Day for next year. But technically that would be released in December. So that's not too far ahead. So, Linda said her son ran a marathon at Disney World yesterday, 3 hours and 25 minutes. Wow, Linda, tell him congratulations. That's awesome. And tell him that it would take me 3 days to do what he did in 3 hours. Just saying, maybe 3 weeks. I don't know. Marathons are pretty intense. I have a really good friend that travels the world literally to do marathons. And world or maybe just the U.S. Maybe just the U.S. And my dad's texting me pictures of his cruise ship room because they're on that cruise in the Panama Canal. Crazy. Someone's at my door. Okay, I got to go, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, gosh. I got to close this off. Hang on. Sorry.